Hello everyone. Today we learn about graphical method of LPP for maximization type problem. Okay. Okay, for maximization type problem. First of all, the example is given as that solve the following LPP by the use of graphical method. Okay, so objective function, your objective function is of maximize z is equal to 3x1 plus 9x2. The most important is that graphical method is only applicable for two variables. Okay, here we have two variables x1 and x2, so we can use graphical method. If there are more than two variables, so we can't use graphical method. Constraints are given, there are no restriction how and so many constraints are there. Here the constraints is one which are less or equal to type, and the second one is also of less or equal to type. Okay, and the non-negativity condition is there, x1 x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the LPP normal. Now for the solution of LPP by graphical method, we have to consider the axis. Okay, so representing x1 as x-axis and x2 as y-axis. Okay, now we have two constraints is inequality type, which is inequality are of less or equal to type. Okay, so first of all, the first step is, first you have to consider this inequality into equality form. Avoid any slack, surplus, artificial variable. Okay, you don't have to add any extra variable for convert into inequality form. Okay, so consider the inequalities as the equalities for constraints. Okay, now to plot the line. Okay, now in graphical method we have to plot the line. So to plot the line, consider the one of the coordinate as 0 alternatively. Okay, first case we take x2 equal to 0, in second case we take x1 equal to 0, and we get the another value. Okay, so we convert it, so we take alternatively 0 and find out the intersection point. Now look this, here we have two constraints, x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 8, and the second equation x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 4. Okay, so we have two equations. Okay, so first we take x2 equal to 0, and second we take x1 equal to 0. Similarly here we also take x2 equal to 0 and x1 equal to 0, just to find out the coordinate. Okay, so here x1 and x2. Now in first case we take x2 equal to 0, so write here 0. Okay, when you write here 0, put here 0 where x2 equal to 0, so 4 into 0 is 0, so what we get, x1 equal to 8, so here x1 equal to 8. In second, x1 equal to 0, so put here x1 equal to 0, what you get, 4x2 is equal to 8, so x2 is equal to 8 by 4, 8 by 4 is equal to 2, so we get x2 is equal to 2. Okay, similarly for second equation, same way you have to find the two values of x1 and x2. First you take x2 equal to 0. Okay, when you put x2 equal to 0 in this equation, you get x1 equal to 4. Okay, so right here when you put x2 equal to 0 in this equation, you get x1 equal to 4. Second part, take x1 equal to 0. Okay, take x1 equal to 0, so put here x1 equal to 0. When you put x1 equal to 0 in this equation, 2x2 is equal to 4, so x2 is equal to 4 by 2, so x2 is equal to 2, so write x2 equal to 2. Means how many points you get? 4 points. The points are 8 0, second point 0 2. Okay, this is of the first equation, so consider as a line 1. Okay, first equation के में से जो पॉइंट मिलेंगे उसके ऊपर से हम लोग एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और उसका नाम देंगे लाइन 1. सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो वी गेट 2 points 4 0 0 2. Okay, and it is for line 2. Now the main part, here both constraints are of less or equal to type. Okay, here these two constraints are of less or equal to type, right? So showing the downward arrows at the end of the line, जब हम लोग ये लाइन ग्राफ पे प्लॉट करेंगे, जब लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे आपकी कंस्टेंट लेस और इक्वल टू टाइप है, तो जो भी हम लोग लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे उसमें हम लोग डाउन एरो करेंगे, डाउनवर्ड एरो करेंगे. डाउनवर्ड मीन्स गोइंग टू ओरिजिन, ओरिजिन के तरफ हम लोग एरो करेंगे. ओके, व्हेन the constraints are greater than or equal to type, so we have to draw up arrow. Okay, means opposite of the origin. Okay, now we plot a point and then draw a graph. Okay, this is our y axis, this is our x axis. Okay, this is my graph. Here the point 0 0 0, the origin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now you have to first point out the value. Okay, now what is the value? This one, the first value is 8 0. So x coordinate पे 8 and y coordinate 0. So here first point x 0. Okay, this is the first point. Second point 0 2 means x axis 0, y axis पे 2, so 0 2. Okay, this is second point. Now the third point, draw a first line. Okay, this is the point of line 1, so 8 0 and 0 2, connect this line. Okay, this is line 1. Okay, line 1, and the constraints are of less or equal to type, so draw down arrow. Okay, this is our down arrow. Okay, this is all, this is, it is easy to find the region, so you have to do down arrow and up arrow. Okay, now the second equation is 2x1 plus 2x2 equal to 4, and the coordinates are 4 0. So here x axis 4, y axis 0, so here this is point 4 0, and the second point 0 2. Okay, this is 0 2, which is the same 0 2. Now draw another line, this one, and it is line 2, also doing down arrow. Okay, this is down arrow, and it is line 2. Okay, so now you have to find the common region. Okay, this is our graph. Now you have to find the common region, means the area common to the both equation is to be considered as a feasible region. So this is one line, this is second line. Now this part which shaded is called a feasible region. Why? Because it is the common for both region. Okay, now what is your region? This y axis, this x axis, and this line, this is our region. Now this region will become, how many points are there? Corner points. This is 4 0 0 2 and origin. Okay, ये तीन पॉइंट मिला के हमें एक रीजन मिलेगा. Okay, so these points are called extreme points or corner points. Okay, so we have to add the name A, B, O. Okay, now here the extreme means corner points are O 0 0, A 4 0, and B 0 2. To find the value of z, what we have to do? Just, what is your objective function? This one, maximize z is equal to 3x1 plus 9x2. Now put down the value of x1 and x2 in this equation and calculate it and find the value of z. Okay, now how many extreme points are there? 3. So put O 0 0, A 4 0, and B 0 2. Now first you put 0 0 in this equation, you get 0. Then you put 4 0, x1 equal to 4, x2 equal to 0, so 4 into 3 12. When you put this 0 2, 0 into 3 0, 9 into 2 18, so z is equal to 18. Now this problem is of maximization type. You have to select the maximum value. Okay, which one is maximum? 18 is maximum. Okay, so you have to select this point. Which one? B02, which one is maximum. Okay, so as shown in the table, the point B02 is the point where Z is maximum. So the optimal solution of the LPP is x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 2, and maximize Z is equal to 18. This is the optimal solution.